Reverend William Kosco. This guy, this man name alone, he dey make me enter the spirit life, the spirit part of this whole matter. My people, this man, as I talk to now, I don't come outside, can't give up. In fact, the matter save even they sweet me. He say, over his dead body, will he give President Joe Biden Holy Communion unless he repents? I know some many of now go they confused now. According to this man, he say Joe Biden are like in family, you understand? And now in church be that. So now all of a sudden he say you know if he give Joe Biden Holy Communion again, and you know they stop Joe Biden from entering in church. But the thing be say even though he enter in church, say Joe Biden no get any right. In fact, in ideas, opinion, suggestion, in fact, they don't need that. Say they no want hear for that in church. And this same reverend now, the main reason why he come outside they talk all this thing because they condemn all Catholic churches where they allow abortion. And I know say since Joe Biden enter seat, now abortion they legalize, homosexual they legalize. So all those book things, the Reverend Father don't come out and talk about us. So I bet for now we never see Reverend Kosco by una eye, una never hear him before. Join me, make we listen to Reverend Kosco.
Even if you're pro-abortion, but your ideas are not welcome here, and they will be given no quarter. The same with Joe Biden. He's a Catholic. He's a member of the family. If for some reason he would be in Buckeye on a Sunday, Joe Biden is welcome to come to Mass here. His ideas are not welcome here. And if you ask me a follow-up question, would you give him communion? No. Over my dead body. Not until he repents. He's a public figure. He needs to publicly repent.
Hey! I not say we get pastors for this life. Oh. We get. But how many of them go fit come outside boldly, they talk truth? They no pass 10% for this generation where we dey. They no pass 10%. I will say all the pastors fit they come outside, they talk truth like this. But it dey hard. It dey very hard. Why? Because now people they look for money. All of them they look for money. Where money dey, now they go enter. See, my people, time don't reach. Now why I bring this matter out? Our African pastors, please, it is time. Time don't reach for all the men of God to stand and speak truth, no matter who the thing go offend. Now time. You understand? When I don't chop too much money. No, how much more I want chop? They don't bribe una. How much bribe you I want take? So I beg, it don't do. It don't do. If there's some pastors now, you see Joe Biden, they go even give a front seat. They will give a front seat. Even a service, they go on serve. They feel even serve them whiskey. For inside church. Why? Corruption has swallowed everybody's mind. Now be this. Now the truth we need, my people. Now the truth. All of una way they against this, waiting this man talk. Now we they see the homosexuals. All of una be gay, una be yes, because I know they see anything bad where this man just talk about. So of una now that they come outside, hey, why is he talking as if he's God? Why is he doing this? Why is he doing that? I don't understand why we say Africans we too they focus on the messenger and not the message. Why? Waiting be the thing where this man talk now where they wrong. Waiting be the thing. I mean, I don't know say Joe Biden needs repent. Una think in our life, normal life they live like this. My people, I don't say nobody they perfect. You understand? But see, because matter even reach me, person even open mouth, they tell me say, Madam Aproko, the priest refused to give Joe Biden Holy Communion, but the priest they give other people Holy Communion, and the people where they give Holy Communion, some of them they beat in wife, some of them they fornicate. I know, big mouth, all of una, I know. But the reason why I bring this matter, no matter what, my people, I know say nobody they perfect, but una need to understand something. See, when you sin, if you commit sin on your own, a different thing. From when you commit sin, you even they encourage other people, may they go commit that same sin. Now what did Joe Biden they do? already you know say you know, okay, we know say nobody dey perfect, but why we say I go dey do prostitution, for instance? I go come dey call other girls say, this thing good, oh, this thing good. Now what did Joe Biden dey do? You allow no, may we put Catholic aside, so that because some of una now go dey think now because of church. Put Catholic aside. Homosexuality, e dey good. Which lesson e dey teach us? Abortion, which lesson e dey teach us? No, we don't remove Catholic now. Leave church now. Which lesson? You know, what do they learn from homosexuality, abortion, and all those things? Even the Christianity faith, it dey inside, it dey against them. So what you they try tell me now? If you like, say the church is for God, say this one, say wait, anything you want to talk am, but the thing be say, this man wanna just listen to. He is the head of that branch. And as long as he's the head of that branch, he has every right to take any decision. And the decision say where they take, no be saying na one bad thing. Joe Biden ideas, they no good. They no good and they are not needed. In fact, I support this man. I don't blame una now because una don't come outside. We don't know, una don't remove Donald Trump now. See person what una like. Continue. I say I go bring this thing out today because we need, not just because of we the normal people, but our pastors, those way they look as religious leaders, they need listen to this. If only everybody can stand on their feet and stand for what is right, my people will go live a beautiful life. This world will become sweet, better, different. But no, they don't blind them with dollar notes, naira notes, CD notes. Everybody now don't confuse. I bet make una stand up. Make una stand up. Very, very important. Now why I bring this matter here now. So Joe Biden too need to hear my voice. Oga Joe, I bet repent. Oh, hey, if not, you know go. I bet my people now the matter with this. I say make I bring a corner side live and direct. So anything when you guys talk or sending this matter, drop am for them. Make we battle this thing together because I know say me and many people we go there opposite, but no problem. As usual, I go reply now one by one. Share this video, make everybody know waiting they happen, and don't forget to subscribe. If not, you know go there notified with matters like this. Stay tuned for our next story. Deputy Speaker of House of Representatives Ahmed Idris don't bring us another one, and this time around when they tell us say Nigerians where they live outside like abroad, they don't get any right at all to submit any petition over the incidents where they happen for Nigeria. And this man even reject petition where they come from a mutual union of the thief in this one's the America. He reject them. As I talk to Nana, serious fire they go on for this place because now two people they against each other. Mr. Idris they talking you. Wait till this guy named Gabila they talking you. And now Gabila can't bring the petition. Because according to Ram, he bring the petition based on say, okay, may they look inside this matter because the people where they America now, they don't they complain. And their petition can bring matter according to them. They talk say now the federal government now, you know, they resettle the thief people, the displaced from their ancestral land through various attacks. Now what did they complain about? And so Mr. Gabila don't bring the matter so that they go look into them and see how they feel help them. But now Idris say no, say anybody, as long as say you know the Nigeria. Anywhere you find yourself in this world, even if you are a Nigerian, you don't get any right at all to complain or to talk say they talk inside Nigeria matter. I bet now I say make I bring a corn aside my people because I know even get the strength. So I bet for now we don't know what till they happen. Join me, make we watch the video.
Your kind permission, Mr. Speaker, I want to lay this petition before this honorable house.
Did you say thieves in America?
The petition is from the Mutual Union of Thief People in America. Yes, there's a very
if they're in America, could they really be an interested party here? Do they really know what is exactly going on?
Okay, yes, they do, because they have their family members and their people here with them, and they are, as a pressure group, bringing this petition because they believe that they are also stakeholders.
Mr. I don't want to make a blanket statement regarding those who are in diaspora. If they are Nigerians and living in Nigeria are bringing issues, I agree. But somebody in America who is far away in this country.
Mr. Speaker, this is not the first time we have presented petitions, even from those who are not resident.
That is why the Speaker has to allow the petition to be laid until he's convinced. I'm not convinced that somebody from America should come here and be laying issues in Nigeria. I'm not convinced.
My people, una don't hear am with una own ears. Una see am with una eyes. Now, the war where this thing will cause now. Now waiting, I no even want experience with my eyes. Imagine you be Nigerian, but you no get right to talk about your country because you manage go outside Nigeria. And una hear am because Mr. Gabila now they tell and say these people get right because their family members they inside Nigeria. I don't understand how I no go get mouth to talk for. My mama dey Nigeria now, my papa dey Nigeria, all my siblings in Nigeria. So because I dey abroad, I no fit talk concerning wetin dey happen for Nigeria. If I start now, I go talk say this one. No, make una just imagine wetin dey come out from person mouth. Adult, person where they put as leader. In fact, I don't even want to think of the following nonsense wey won't come out from his mouth. You don't even allow me this man drop petition finish. Oh. See as he cut am sharp. You don't even allow me the man read wetin he dey inside the paper. You just say no. This one. If you're not in Nigeria, this. But now be the same people who now go they pray, now go they talk many things. Hey, dollar should turn to 5 naira. Dollar should reduce to 5 naira. But now they condemn people and the country where they dey. I beg who be this man? I beg now where they watch. Who be this man? Who the children where this man get where they dey? Because I need to see them. Because una father just in fact he just call. See how they talk am. So because you know they are abroad, you don't they pay you now, don't they pay you for body. So people where they there now may they come back because before they go make any petition or before they go drop any complaint. Because now they pay their flights. So no, now they imagine the nonsense. You go pay flight to come Nigeria, come complain. Then you go still pay flight again to go back. I beg, make una just resign. No. Make una just resign. See, no, on a serious note, I know they see the usefulness. I beg, what do you even they do for that? You just the hear position. What do you even they do there? Because we don't tire. In case una they think say maybe we they manage, we they do this one. I beg, we are tired. We don't want they live based on one eye closed, one eye open. Danger everywhere. Even speech where you supposed to come out, can't give. We see they fear your speech. Wow, abroad. You get passport where they indicate say you be Nigerian. I bet they get right oh. All this way they talk, they have rights. Their family members are here. So why you expect? No, just imagine your parents they suffer. You know if you come outside say they talk. No, wetin concern Agbero with overload. Wetin con no, not just I not just attire. I beg attire. I just wish I fit get this man in front of me now. Oh, in fact, even the people where all of una where they are abroad, I'm not saying that they hear me, that they watch me now. Even if you are not a Nigerian, in fact, today I give you right. You have right to talk and drop any complaint that you want to drop. I have given you rights. What is that? Una own children where they are abroad now. If they talk one thing now, una go carry a person now. Other people now they don't get right to talk because they not be una family member. We here for Nigeria Constitution, the right say you no get right to talk if you dey outside the country. Make una show me. Show me. No, because una hear am. Even Mr. Gabila, they try read am. They try tell am say in the I no study law. Oh now know wetin they talk. Say in the number of this. They no write am. He still they shut the man up. Because you know say the man won't talk through. The man see now why he go to go school. As you watch these two people now, who they reasonable? See, these people, they don't, for una to see, say, matter don't even cross border. They don't even remember sense of reasoning. They don't know the meaning of shame again. Just imagine you there in front of camera, see what they come out from your mouth. Even if you want deny the petition self, you don't go use style. Listen to waiting this one talk, then after you just bring them out. For una to see, say these people, they don't tire for us. The same way we are tired of them, so they don't tire for us. So me, I not go even kill myself. All of una way there abroad, you know say you be Nigerian. Listen to me. You have every right. Don't let anybody deceive you or change your mind. Or you get right to talk. Right of speech. Anywhere you find yourself, as long as Naija blood inside your body. My brothers, my sisters, I beg make una talk. You understand? Very, very important. I don't know where they bring the everyday new law. And they tell now this thing. They go sit down, do meeting. Nothing profitable will come out for that meeting. No. Now just nonsense decisions they go just they take. As long as say if they benefit them, if they don't care whether they affect any other person. Now the matter where I bring for a year like this, make una know the latest now. Because I know say many of una dey outside, and this thing now go soon start to affect una. No allow anybody shut your mouth. You get right to talk. I don't talk am again. You understand? Make una allow them. Make they continue. They mumu themselves as they mumu they go. Make they continue. I don't even know where this country they go again. I know just know. Hey, wahala o chineke me. The one where they go bring now. Una go just here say no, but if you are black in complexion, you don't have any right to go outside. They go just bring anything. These people, they go just bring something where you yourself, you go, they wonder, I not just understand. Some people are mad, I be all of us are mad. Because now, I they tell you a serious matter. I know me and myself now, I don't even know whether me myself are even mad. Because the way they go bring matter, you go, they confused. I be make una tell me whether me self I don't. If you let this I don't matter, I better tell me because the way they go now, my head self don't full. I beg my people. Now the matter we are bring because I know say many of us will get people way there outside. So I beg before this thing, before you go come reach your ear now, come be like one new matter. I bring her now so that from today you go know how now the plan on yourself. You understand? So inform your people, share this video to them. Say they want shut their mouth as long as say they know they inside Nigeria. Very, very important. And make sure say you drop your comment. Anything where you know concerning this matter, drop and then I will reply on one by one. And make sure say you subscribe. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.